In this video, I'll show you how to turn on dividend reinvestment on Robinhood, step by step. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. Go to the Robinhood app and tap on your profile icon in the lower right corner of the screen. Once the menu opens, tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner, then select Investing from the list. Scroll down until you see the Dividend Reinvestment section. If it's currently disabled, you'll see a button to enable it. Tap on Enable Dividend Reinvestment. Once enabled, you'll see a list of your stocks. You can individually select which stocks you want to reinvest dividends for by tapping on each stock. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.